On Windows 11, the disk cleanup is basically already included with the system. You can click on search and type in cleanup, and disk cleanup will come up. You can also save it to your taskbar or put it in the start menu. Mine's already there. So I click that. Brings up this dialog box. You want to choose the drive that you want to clean, hit OK. The next is to check off all of the necessary space saving that you want to do, and then hit OK. Then say, yes, we want to delete the files. So there's a second step to this as well. After it disappears, that part's clean. The second step is to go back. See, here is the shortcut. Basically go back, pick up where you left off here. Now that you've cleaned that, you can see lots of things have been cleared, but you want to go and clean up the system files. This is another panel. It's the same as the other. It's just a deeper clean. So here's what I get to clean here. And some of them are checked even though they have 0 bytes, but that's okay. Anyway, do the same thing where you say, yes, we want to delete the file. And this is already cleaned 4 gigs worth of trash. So most systems have quite a bit of trash. And that's it.